hot connection kit for our closed circuit. It incorporates several critical items which you need not only for the commissioning of the system but also for its use. It controls the pressure within the closed circuit. There's a Khalifi 100 kPa jacket venting valve. Now, this maintains at all times the pressure in the jacket or the mantle at 100 kPa maximum pressure. Very critical that this isn't tampered with or removed, because keep in mind there's a lot of pressure is going to build up within that closed circuit system unless this is there to protect it. This other device, which is a pressure gauge, is a part of the commissioning process, and it's really important to understand what we want to ensure is that we don't have any leaks or any discharge of the closed circuit fluid. The closed circuit fluid that we use in this has a glycol in it, and glycol is very slippery. It's got what they call a low surface tension, so we always want to make sure that all our seals throughout the whole system are nicely tightened up. It's very easy with this many fittings to forget one and not snap it up on the roof. So this allows us, as we go through it later, to show you how to commission it and make sure that you've got the correct pressures in there and also that it's maintaining its pressure. So this pressure gauge will be on the tank permanently, and it's later on I'll show you the new housing we've got it in to ensure waterproofing and solar radiation resistance as well. Finally, this last connection back to here is the expansion vessel. I'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute, but what you've got is a combination of the components all wrapped up into one neat little package like this. What's going to come out of the parts kit is this device as you see it here. Obviously what we're going to do is have it all properly fitted together and sealed, so you'll see it with the gauge inside this weatherproof housing. This is to ensure that we can avoid weather, UV degradation, any other problems in aging over a period of time. This gauge is going to be in situ. The 100 kPa Khalifi valve, jacket venting valve, will be installed, also fitted, ready to go. The top here is connected to, will be sealed as well and ready for the connection to the expansion vessel. The only thing is, on the back of this you see this special compression fitting. That will be already fitted on the jacket venting pipe coming out of the tank with a plug, a 22mm plug over it. So that will just need to be slid on and tightened up. It will save a lot of work involved in trying to spin it into the correct position and orientation. Please ensure this is correctly installed, this device. It's there for your use now when you're commissioning the system, but also for service work when people come onto the job at a later stage and want to see what the system is doing and how they can, if they need any service or any work on it.